Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, this is Mavish Rana once again with another video and interesting topic, that is gerund or infinitives. I will tell you guys in this video about the use and the difference of gerunds or infinitives. If you will like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's talk about gerunds or infinitives. Welcome to today's lesson on the different uses of gerunds and infinitives in English. Sometimes it can be challenging to understand the different uses of these verb forms, but understanding them is essential for effective communication. It means for effective communication, gerund and infinitives play a crucial role in our communication. In this presentation, we will explore their various uses in different contexts. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of these grammar structures and how to use these forms correctly and confidently in your everyday conversations and writing. What is gerund? Gerund is verb plus ing. When we use ing with verb form, that is called gerund. After preposition and phrasal verbs, I am very good at drawing. What is preposition in this sentence? At is preposition. Verb form draw with ing. Drawing is gerund in this sentence. I hope by the help of this simple example, now you will be able to understand what is gerund. Olivia has given up studying. So, what is, uh, you know, uh, gerund in this example, that is studying? As the subject of a sentence, riding my bike is one of my favorite activities. So, as the subject of a sentence, first of all, हमने ये पढ़ा कि जब हमारे पास verb की फॉर्म के साथ हम ing यूज करते हैं तो उसको हम gerund कहते हैं. तो अब हम इसको पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कि जब सब्जेक्ट एज ए सब्जेक्ट आ रहा होता है उसके साथ आईएनजी होता है तो वो भी हम जेरेंट ही उसको बोलते हैं. लाइक राइडिंग माई बाइक इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एक्टिविटीज, तो राइडिंग इज gerund. Taking the bus to school is more convenient than driving in rush or traffic. So taking is gerund in this sentence. After some verbs, common verbs which take the gerund include admit, avoid, deny, dislike, enjoy, feel, like, finish, hate, keep, like, love, mind, miss, practice, prefer, recommend, spend, time, stop, suggest. So all these verb forms we can use gerund with ing. When we use ing with these form of verbs, that will be called gerund. Like disliking, enjoying, feeling like, finishing, having, keep, liking, love, loving, all this. I don't mind getting up early. So in this sentence, we are using this I don't mind getting. Get say getting. I hate not being on time for things. Right? I hate not being on time for things. You know that being, that is called gerund. I hope now you will be able to understand what is gerund. Now come to the point, that is about the infinitive with to. When the sentences are start with to, these are called infinitives. Let's talk about the use of the infinitives to express a reason or purpose. When we express some reason or purpose, we use to. Like Claudia does exercise to have more energy. To have more energy. To is infinitive. She is studying hard to pass all her tests. So to pass all her tests. To is infinitive in this sentence. Infinitives are also used after adjectives. Like this recipe is very easy to make. Be careful not to burn yourself when cooking. After some verbs. Common verbs which take the infinitive include can't afford, agree, decide, expect, forget, help, hope, learn, need, pretend, promise, refuse, remember, seem, try, want, would like. These all are make the infinitive than gerund. I can't afford to buy a new phone now. So these are some common verbs which take the infinitives include verb plus person infinitive with to. I want you to do this now. The teacher told him not to run. Can you ask Olivia to come? After models and auxiliary verbs like we must eat really fast to be on time for the test. My parents did not let me go out last night. After make let. We use also these infinitives. Common verbs that can take the infinitive or jump with no difference in meaning. Start, begin, and continue. For start, like it started to rain or raining. For begin, I began to taking classes in 2015. Continue, we continue talking or to talk. So let's talk about common verbs that can take the infinitive or gerund but the meaning is different. Stop, try, remember, and forget. I have stopped taking the bus. I don't take it anymore. I stopped to take the bus. Stop an activity to do something else. I remember calling her, having a memory of calling her. I remember to call her. I didn't forget to call her. So these are some verbs that can take the infinitive or gerund, but the meaning is very different. Thank you for watching Lingua Insights. Stay connected with Lingua Insights for more engaging and interesting videos. If you have some question, you can comment on my YouTube channel Lingua Insights. Always be optimistic, believe in your hard work, and be motivated. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.